Welcome to Email Tracking and Sequences. In this video, we'll explore how to track email performance and automate follow-ups to close more deals faster. Email tracking allows you to see when prospects open your emails and which links they click. This gives you real-time insights into prospect engagement, so you know who's interested and ready to talk. Email tracking helps you identify hot leads immediately. Instead of waiting for replies, you can follow up with prospects who have shown interest. It increases your response rates and helps you close deals faster by prioritizing engaged prospects. Several tools make email tracking easy. HubSpot offers free email tracking with detailed analytics. Mailchimp provides tracking for email campaigns. Lemlist specializes in personalized cold outreach with advanced tracking. And Outreach includes tracking as part of a complete sales engagement platform. Email sequences are automated series of emails sent to prospects over time. Instead of manually sending follow-up emails, you create a sequence once, and it automatically sends the right message at the right time to keep prospects engaged. Email sequences save you hours every week by automating repetitive follow-ups. They ensure consistent communication with every prospect. You can test different messages to see what resonates. And most importantly, they dramatically improve response rates because persistence wins in sales. Start with a strong opening email that provides immediate value. Follow with 2 to 3 emails spaced 1 to 3 days apart that address objections or add more value. End with a closing email that summarizes benefits and creates urgency. Keep emails short, focused, and personal. Most CRM tools let you create automation rules. Set triggers based on prospect actions, like when they open an email or visit your website. Then define the sequence of emails to send automatically. You can also segment prospects by industry or company size and send targeted sequences to each group. Track 3 important metrics. Open rate shows what percentage of recipients opened your email. A good benchmark is 20 to 30%. Click rate shows what percentage clicked a link, with 5 to 10% being good. Response rate is the percentage who replied, and a good benchmark is 5 to 10%. Monitor these to continuously improve your sequences. Track opens, clicks, and engagement to understand how prospects interact with your emails. Build automated sequences for consistent follow-ups that save time. Use these strategies to improve response rates and close deals faster. Choose a tool that integrates with your CRM workflow. Start tracking and automating today to accelerate your sales.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.